Every year, the quantity of motor vehicle is increased. Increasing quantity of vehicle would affect increasing the more parking space. The limited parking space, especially in shopping center, causing a driver must go around in parking lot for finding a space. We know that fuel oil is not renewable energy. This is the relation graph between fuel consumption and the speed of a car. From this graph, we know that if a car speeding around 10 until 30 km per hour, the car will get a more fuel consumption. The best fuel efficiency is between 40 to 60 km per hour. Other things that causing vehicle move slowly under 40 km per hour is searching the parking lot in a shopping center. It will increasing fuel requirement up to 50%. So, it necessary some information system, slot parking finder.
Iya, perlu.
Saya rasa perlu.
Perlu biar efisien dan nggak perlu muter-muter jadinya.
Ya perlu.
Perlu. Menurut saya perlu ya, biar menghemat waktu sama bensin.
Menurut saya perlu.
Sangat perlu.
Kalau menurut saya sih itu perlu banget ya, soalnya memudahkan kita untuk cari parking di sehari-hari. Kan itu susah banget tuh nyari parking terutama di mall-mall.
Based on that reason, we are from EEUNUD team through IoT Challenge will realize the solution in parking slot finder based on web application. For demonstrate this system, we are using a prototype. This is the real parking slot with 2.5 of width, 5 meter of length, and then the height is about 5 meters. And then this is a scaled parking slot prototype that we use scaled dimension with 20 cm of length, 10 cm of width, and 20 cm of height.
The component, including hardware and software that we use in this prototype is:
First, we use a sharp infrared sensor. The sensor will install on the top and the bottom of the parking slot. Next, we use Arduino Mega as the microcontroller, Arduino Ethernet shield as the liaison from the sensor with the internet network, router for connecting Arduino to internet network, and then adapter for giving power supply to Arduino board. And we use car miniature. Next, we use project board for connecting sensor to Arduino. Next, jumper wire for connecting project board to Arduino. And then for the software we use in this prototype is XMPP for creating a database, Arduino IDE for configure to Arduino, Dreamweaver for creating a web design, and then web hostinger for the web hosting.
This is the schematic of the component.
This is the schematic of the component. The infrared sensors connected to Arduino board, and then from the Arduino board connected to Ethernet shield. Now we will explain the detail. First, the infrared sensors will detecting a car. Then logical output from the sensors will go through analog pin in Arduino board. from the sensor will be processed by Arduino Mega for creating a slot logical. Then the logical will be sent over the network with the Ethernet shield. The routers is for the bridge between Ethernet shield and Internet network for communicating with the web server. And then, from this web server, all users can access the website every time and everywhere.
So, how this system works?
First, we initialize the parking condition with A1 slot and A2 slot is empty. This is the condition of the database if A1 and A2 is empty. Logical B is meaning empty slot, and logical A is meaning full slot. The website will show the A1 slot and A2 slot is in category slot available. Then, we initialize A1 slot in empty condition. And this is the database on web server. So, if we find slot in website, it will show that A1 slot is in empty. We place the sensor in the bottom of the prototype. And the second sensor we place in upper of the prototype. When a car parking in slot A1, the sensor will detecting a car. The value after upper and bottom sensor reading will be sent into analog pin in Arduino board. Over the Arduino will be sent into internet using a router. This is the syntax distant function that applied into Arduino IDE. If we use serial monitor, we will know the data of each sensors. The data of each sensor will be updated into database. This is the database show the slot parking A is full. Now if we search into the website, the drop-down menu did not show the A slot. Application web parking slot finder.16mb.com can be accessed every time and everywhere. Has a high flexibility, giving information in real time, efficient, and can be used in any smartphone platform. And it has a high responsibility.
That's all about our parking slot finder system based on